Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make your content more search friendly so you could drive traffic from Pinterest to your Etsy business. By creating searchable content for your ideal customer, this will help you drive the right traffic to your products and increase your overall sales. So make sure you stick around to watch this video because it's going to be value packed. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first one notified of any new videos that I upload. Also, if you're interested in learning how to properly use Pinterest, make sure that you take advantage of my Etsy Mastery course. You actually get the Pinterest course included in all of the bonuses. So if you want to check out the course, I will leave the link right below. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to walk you through a whole scenario. So offering something unique, something irresistible is the first step in drawing in shoppers. And it's important to define your brand and have a solid, unique selling proposition for your business. And a strong, unique selling proposition lets you stand apart from your competitors and actively focus your energy on creating things that cater to your ideal group of customers. And the first thing I recommend is making sure to niche down. This will help you become an industry leader. It's going to help you dominate on your niche. It will also help you identify your target audience a lot easier. And let's say that you're selling jewelry, right? You need to ask yourself the following questions. What problem do my potential customer have? What's the solution to that problem? And why would people pay money for my product? These are the three questions you have to ask yourself. It doesn't matter what niche you're in, but these are the three questions. The biggest mistake you can make, and many Etsy sellers make, is not understanding who they serve. They don't know who their target audience is and what makes their product different. You ask them and they don't really know. They create products that are similar to other shops. They're winging it, right? They're adding all sorts of different products to their store, and they don't create a unique products. You have to create unique products that make it, right, a no-brainer for prospective buyers to choose your products over others. Keep in mind, consumers are overwhelmed with options, and they want to quickly understand what makes one product or brand different than others. And knowing the right way to position yourself and your products can be the difference between standing out and blending in. It could be a big difference. And this is the main reason why many sellers get tons of views and favorites, but they struggle with converting those views into actual sales. It's because they're selling very similar products. So you might ask yourself, right, can jewelry solve problems? Yes, every product you sell, no matter what niche you're in, solves a problem. And it's important that you know what it is, right, as a seller. So let's kind of walk you through the scenario. For example, you will need to ask yourself, why women like jewelry? Why is it more important for some and not for others? And why do they wear jewelry? Is it to build their confidence up? Some women wear beautiful jewelry to help them feel this way, right? Is it that they bought a new outfit or a dress and they need a statement piece because without it they feel naked or incomplete? Many people who do acupuncture suggest wearing earrings in certain spots to control stress. Or does your jewelry have a message behind it, right, that you want to spread awareness on that, and that's the reason why people wear it. As you can see, these are all reasons and problems jewelries will solve for these different scenarios. And it's your job to understand that. Once you have identified what problem your jewelry or your products solve, then you have done the hard work. That's the hardest part. The next step is creating searchable content on Pinterest, solving your target audience problem. So let's go over some examples so you could get some ideas right now so you could take action today, implement that for your own products. So examples of different pins and content that you could provide are, and these are just different examples, 19 natural crystals to help with healing, the top 10 bracelets for anxiety, how wearing jewelry can boost your confidence, jewelry that can boost your energy, confidence, and happiness, 3 ways new jewelry can boost your confidence, best deals for acupuncture jewelry, 4 types of statement jewelry every woman should wear. As you could see, all of these different examples, when people search for these things on Pinterest, on Google, or any other platform that works like a search engine like YouTube, they're looking for answers. And the biggest mistake many people do is treating their social media like billboards instead of providing content that solves a specific problem. So when you provide content that solves a problem, you will not need to go and find your customers. They actually find you. They'll find your pin, they'll click on your pin, they'll head over to your blog or shop, and this is how you get traffic on a continuous basis, increase your overall sales. So I hope that by breaking down the process, you have a better, clear understanding of how niching, offering something unique, understanding who you serve, and creating content people are searching for will help you grow your brand the right way. Now, let me know if you enjoyed this video by liking it and sharing it on your favorite platform. If you have any questions about niching or creating content that's searchable, please leave your questions below. I would love to hear them and help you out so you could have massive success in the new year. So don't hesitate to ask away, and thanks for watching.